So Goki has a pretty unique business model. So whereas everyone in the world is talking about the wearable and all that, we are talking about a layer above the wearable. So what distinctive about Goki is that every Goki user gets a personal coach. So it's not a OEM or a hardware, which we are selling or which we are proposing it to the customer. We are offering a lifestyle coaching. So every user who gets the coach, we call our users players. So every players, set up their own goals, work with their coaches on a daily basis through an app, and work towards improving their lifestyle and habits and sustain them. They are training other people, but there are 5 people in the room, so it's a possibility that all 5 of them have a different, and it's a human coach. It's not an algorithm, or it's not a Siri talking to you. It's an actual human who is interacting with you on a day-to-day basis. See, more than the being lazy, the other challenge in the India is spreading awareness.
Awareness, yes.
Right, because one challenge what we had was it was not a new product, it was a new category itself. So that educating the consumer, and each consumer is different. There are no more mass consumers. There is a niche. So there are mass niches. So you have to identify those niches, and then we have to channelize, how we communicate with each niche. And once the message is, put across, because everyone wants to be, fit and healthy. It's just that. And once they realize it, that it's not about, drastically changing your lifestyle, or it's inclusive in any kind of their daily way, but it's just a slight modulation, a slight nudge which your coach gives. So that's how it worked out. So we are in the process of raising Series A. So as of now, we have in India, we crossed 10,000 users last month. Within 6 months, we launched in October. We also expanded last month with a beta in US. Did a soft launch in Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. So today, in totality, we are in 6 countries, and hope to add much more. So we don't consider any one of them to be our rivals, because see, for us, we don't charge for band. The band comes free as a part of subscription.
Yeah.
For us, all these are partner, because bands are nothing, or any of the hardware available in the market today is nothing but a data collecting device.
Okay.
It just give raw data, and it could be our band, it could be Fitbit, Jawbone, Apple Watch, Android Wear, any of it, and the platform what we have can take data from any of these devices, and coach can use that data to coach you. So we don't consider it as a competition. That's why I said it's a new category, or the USP of Goki is that. See, it's about one wisdom is there, that the need to realize that every human needs a coach. If a Michael Jordan or a Sachin Tendulkar or Usain Bolt need a coach, everyone needs a coach. Because it's kind of a human nature, to fall back into the the old habits, or get busy with the lifestyle, and not realizing that they are falling back.
Yeah.
So the advantage of having someone to look for you or look after you, that's very interesting. One small thing is there, that there is a niche for change. If you look at the latest research today, Indians or India as a country, 1/3 of the country or population is inactive. Means in terms of it, if there were 100 people active 10 years ago, today there are only 70 or rather 65 people who are active. So there is a decline in terms of an activity as a nation, and which is leading to a lot of health issues.
Of course.
We are spending today on a health sector which can fund the whole education system of this country. It's going to be the major industry. It's going to be, I would say, one of the biggest industry, because because otherwise the cost of living will become so high for every individual if they don't take care of themselves, that it's going to be a challenge, and people are realizing it.
Yeah.
Today, 80% of the diseases or the illnesses in the world what we see is related to lifestyle. So once that's controlled, there is no end to it. As per the latest research, if we can control ourselves for the next 20 years, there is a potential for us to live for 150 years. So that's a, big enough incentive for anyone, to start taking care of their health.
So it says that if we can take control of
So if we take care of, or if we avoid any of the lifestyle diseases in the next 20 years, you know, there is a potential with the advancement of the science and the medical field that, you know, it's
We may as well
live up to 150 years. See, it's a good strategy because of the, you know, the level of penetration the mobile has in this country. Today there are more number of mobile in this country than the population of country. So it's a good strategy, but sometimes, you know, the challenge is not the mobile but the network it is provided. So that becomes the biggest challenge for the, you know, the retailer or any of the e-retail company. No, so
what category do
we are into lifestyle.
lifestyle?
So we are about living healthier and fitter in a sustainable way. We are not into health. We are not into medical advice. You know, so for that the doctors are the best one to wear. So we are into a lifestyle coaching.